Raining. Blessing Sharbar. Ano naman, raining in Singapore. Ay, may kinakasalat at balam. Kain na na. See that? Dumpling noodles. Thank you, Lord. Yeah. Good morning, Singapore.
This is the F1 racetrack.
Yeah. This one. Wanted to watch that.
You see now the MBS on your left hand, right?
Yeah.
Actually, it's on.
Area, oh. Good morning, SG. Good morning. One day, I'm gonna go up there with my mom. Say good morning. So, Lord. That's so Vivo City. Amo? Good morning! So last night, natapos namin yung isang container. Ayun, pupulin natin ngayon yan. So hopefully, this day matapos na natin. Para tomorrow, packaging, we have to go back to Manila again and get that Singaporean money. What's more? Money. Sabi ka natin, no? Dahil pera. Dahil pera! Give that!
Sa mga truck na yan, boss, no?
Tatakotin yung mga gago. Hintay lang ako.
Pahayop ko po. Pahayop ko po.
Eto, money. Ilang makina yan, par. It's all good. Money. Ayan, o. Puro Honda engine, ha.
Ano pasok doon sa steer lang?
You heard the song? Sabalaya sa malatyan yung maklay yan na mula. So alam mo na mission namin dito. Container kalaban. Yun ang mission, no? Punuin yun. Let's go. And let's make money. Yeah. Par di 40. So we're here at Indian City. Yeah. Stuff, don't so. Maganda yung nightlight dito. So we're here at Lower 18. Dahil parlor, oh. So we're here at Lower 18. Dahil parlor dito. So we're looking for a hookup. Ako ko naman bro, kalabas sa yung parlor na yun. Ay, gago ka! Hindi kaya. Lalo! Lampet yung po. So bibili kami alak, kaso wala kami bilang kasi hanggang... Tiger? Oh shit man, Tiger. Nasa kami, Skinitis. Mahigpit yung oras ng alak dito eh. So pumasok sa looban. Skinitis ba?
Ay, 5 to.
Hold on.
Uy ha? 67, so
You got?
dalawang piso.
Dalawang piso gago.
2 piso.
8 lang yung isa eh.
How much is that?
67.
How much?
1, 6, sama yung okay.
67.
Yeah,
Sobra pa 10 gago. I keep the 10.
You keep the 10?
400 dong.
Take away, mga
Friend. No, police?
Oh, police.
No, it's okay! It's okay! It's okay!
Okay, sika, okay.
Oh. You say not? Yeah. Ice.
Ayos ah.
You sell ice? Can we have? Can we have?
Pambili natin pulutan yan ha.
Ding dong.
Thank you so.
Ding-dong eh. Ding-dong nga eh.
See what time we can buy beer here. My friend. See what time we can buy beer. See what time. Huh?
You can buy 12.
You know English?
We have a prize.
Biros.
ATV bar. Pati yung baso.
Wong Sung Ponson, Sin Xiang Ponson.
You back me baby ha.
Yeah, go back to you. Ito na, ang sakit sa mga kasukasuhan is pakul. What do you buy?
Bing bang.
Bing bang. We buy pulutan. You got Alfonso? Those who have. Ah, putang na. Tagalog.
Ah, meron pa. Seaweed ang putang ina. Tangina mo, iinom ka alak, seaweed. Good.
Lady boy? Not lady boy. Alright, that's right.
It's Tom
Ano
Boy.
ba't may coins ng Pilipinas? 50 pa ako dito. Kaya dapat, nagkita na kami ni Kain. Papunta na ako ng Yarda. Ah. Okay.
Okay, can I pass my resume?
Oh, pass your resume!
No problem.
No problem.
Chill.
Good day. Back to work again.